Oh, are you okay?
All right, folks, please keep your arms, legs, and personal belongings secure. Doors are now closing.
Going up.
There's no seatbelts. Oh wait, you can't see it. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna choose not to look. I'm not so sure I like this.
It's pretty crazy, that's for sure.
Uh-huh.
Wonder how your mama's liking this.
Oh my god, they're both, all three of them are probably terrified.
I'm surprised we can't hear him crying. Especially your mom.
I'm like so stiff.
My ears just popped.
Oh, so did mine. This is terrifying. How are there not seatbelts?
What good is the seatbelt gonna do?
I don't know. Don't tell me that.
It's like the closest you ever be to a space capsule, though. Maybe. You guys might go into space. I think we're almost there.
Are we?
Slowing down. Either that or we're about to fall.
Stop.
We're about to tumble. Woo! Shake, rattle, and roll. Just imagine if the thing broke down, you had to climb out.
Stop.
Down all these stairs. It's a long walk down. Ears popped again.